Oh god, the heads are struggling on this. Yeah. Edit this out, Lewis. Edit this out.
All you need is to be competent and have the basics down, and if you have that, you can recover some data. Well, unless you're, well, if you're Steve, not if you're me.
Yeah, I usually say edit, but all right. So here, let me put.
Make sure your man spread as much as humanly possible.
Yeah. let me not man spread. Jesus Christ!
Trigger this.
Oh god. You want me to start with the?
Well, you started talking about the 3 different manufacturers.
The 3 different manufacturers. Yeah, sure. Looks good. I don't even know how I look, by the way.
You look great. If I were a woman, I'd sleep with you.
No, no dust on my shirt. All right. So there are 3 different. Stop moving the camera. God damn it! All right. Say edit. Where you swap the PCB from SATA to USB, from USB to SATA, let's say. All right. So before, this drive was making a clicking sound. So with this new head stack, it should not make any clicking noises. What? Oh god, Lewis! All right, edit. My mouse died. Okay, there you go. Why are you laughing? Why are you fucking laughing?